In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build workflows, optimize workflows in Asana. If you want to create a smoother, more efficient process for your team, this guide will walk you through how to refine your existing workflow so it becomes consistent, automated, and easy to manage. To begin, open your web browser and go to Asana. On the login page, enter the email associated with your account and continue. Then type your password and complete the sign-in process. If your account uses additional security steps, such as single sign-on or verification codes, go ahead and complete those as required. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your main dashboard, where you can view your teams, projects, and recent activity. From there, open the project that contains the workflow you want to improve. This will serve as your central workspace for optimization. The goal here is to refine how work moves through your project so tasks can progress smoothly without constant manual input. Start by standardizing how work is submitted using forms. Forms allow requests to come in with consistent details every time. Set up a form within your project and include the key information you need, such as request type, due date, priority, and any necessary attachments. Providing clear instructions and making certain fields required helps reduce confusion and eliminates the need for follow-ups. Each form submission will automatically become a task, ready to move through your workflow. Next, simplify repetitive actions by using rules. Rules can automatically assign tasks, update fields, adjust due dates, move tasks to the appropriate section, or notify team members based on specific triggers. For example, when a task is marked as high priority, it can be instantly assigned to the appropriate person and placed in the correct section. Keeping your rules straightforward ensures your workflow remains reliable and easy to manage. Use custom fields to organize and track your work more effectively. Adding fields for details like priority, type of request, complexity, or progress stage makes it easier to sort, filter, and analyze your tasks. Consistency in how these fields are used across projects helps your team stay aligned. If your plan includes advanced features, you can also take advantage of built-in intelligence tools to gain insights, summarize updates, and identify potential risks more quickly. Finally, review your workflow regularly. Use dashboards and workload views to identify delays or bottlenecks. Adjust your forms, rules, and fields based on what you observe so your process continues to improve over time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.